Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's eye makeup is an eye-catching combination of cool and warm eyeshadows that is absolutely beautiful. This is a complete and easy tutorial and you will learn it in less than 4 minutes. So if you'd like to try this eye makeup look, make sure to watch the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, we'll use an orange eyeshadow and a fluffy or blender brush. I want to apply the eyeshadow all over my eyelids so the result is a soft, smoky look. So be careful in choosing the brush to ensure the eyeshadow blends well. For this eye makeup look, you can use your preferred eyeshadow palette and follow along with me step by step. I also apply the eyeshadow to my lower lash line. I start from the outer corner and blend the eyeshadow towards the middle of the lower lash line. Next, I use a dark brown eyeshadow and the same fluffy brush to apply to the outer corner of my eyelid. Make sure to focus the blending at the outer edge and gradually extend the eyeshadow with a windshield wiper motion towards the outer corner of the eye. I usually post beginner-friendly eye makeup tutorials on my channel. If you're interested, feel free to check it out. Again, use the same eyeshadow shade and a small flat brush to apply it along the lower lash line. Just like the previous step, we will focus on blending the eyeshadow in that same area. Next, use your favorite concealer. We will do the cut crease technique. For this, use a small flat brush to draw a short curved line from the beginning of your eyelid and gradually extend the line towards the outer corner of your crease, or follow the natural crease of your eyelid from the start. If you have hooded eyes, I've posted a tutorial video on how to do a cut crease for that eye shape, so you can check that out. Next, I use this nice light purple eyeshadow with a flat brush. I gradually tap the eyeshadow onto the cut crease area. In fact, some of my glitter powder has fallen onto my eyeshadow palette, so the eyeshadow now has a bit of glitter in it, which makes it more shimmery and beautiful. But the eyeshadow itself is actually a matte, vibrant shade. This is my favorite part. I'm going to use this shimmery silver eyeshadow and apply to the center of my eyelid using my finger. It's really gorgeous. And this color combination of the eyeshadows really complements each other. I absolutely love it. I'm also going to complete my eye makeup by applying eyeliner. I typically extend the eyeliner all the way to the middle of my eyelids as that tends to suit the shape of my eyes better, but you can choose to extend it all the way to the beginning of your eyelid based on your personal preference. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please go ahead and like the video and leave your comments down below, or feel free to share it with your friends. Also, if you're interested in makeup and beauty, I upload tutorial videos every week, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.